Kia ora, my name's Teina. I'm the Villa Manager here at Manava Luxury Villas and Spa, and I have been here since 2015 as the Assistant Villa Manager. I was appointed the Villa Manager as of September 2017. I started as Porter Security back in 2002 and basically worked my way up from there. I moved into reception from Porter Security. Suggest before being asked to suggest. The best aspect of my role as Villa Manager for Manava Luxury Villas and Spa is meeting new people. Interacting with people is what I love, not just the guests but also the staff, the suppliers. Basically meeting people from all drifts of life. Basically being one of them, being not afraid to actually get my hands dirty, being there by their side, showing that the job is not only theirs, but it's actually ours. It should not be treated as mine, but ours.